Hey guys! I'm back! Welcome to my channel. I'm Ella Sarsuela and you're watching Easy Makeup Artist channel. For those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit like in this video. And to my followers nandito sa YouTube, thank you so much for waiting. I know it's been a while again. I've been busy, pero finally I'm here. So today, I'm going to show you a very quick one eyeshadow that you can use for everyday and for office to nighttime party. So if you want to see this look, then keep on watching. So first things first, before you apply any cream-based eyeshadow, make sure your eyes are primed na. Meaning, it's already have a little foundation or eye primer. It's already set with a little translucent powder. So para the color will be more intense and mas mag-adhere yung mga cream-based eyeshadows natin. Okay? So, mine, I've already primed my eyes. I already applied powder dyan. So, madali lang tong sundan. Make sure if you're going to use pencil, medyo naka-sharpen siya para madaling i-apply sa mata. Okay? So, first things first, applying any cream or eyeshadow, kunyari if you're using the pencil, depende kasi kung gaano kalaki yung mata mo. Alright? Pero ang magiging measurement nito is you're going to apply this pencil from here to the almost 3/4 papalabas muna. Okay? Para tayo maglalagay ng eyeliner. So, I'll be looking at the mirror. Okay? So, maglalagay tayo ng konti. Kaya ka naglalagay ng eyeliner. Yan, okay? So, once na meron ka ng eyeliner na ganito, naglagay ka na sa baba, then it's time for you to blend. The way na mag-blend ka, para ka lang nagsasmudge sa eyeliner mo, no? So, ganito siya. So, kung masyado maliit yung mata, stretch mo ng konti. Then, start ka muna mag-blend sa baba. Diffuse mo muna yung color sa baba, okay? So, kita nyo naman, pag creamy yung eye cream, hindi mo kailangan ng masyadong marami. Yung ganitong karami na it's enough to, to smudge the entire lid. Okay. So, nakita nyo na yung effect. So, after that, you take the excess. So, after mo mag-blend dito sa baba, it's time for you to blend it pataas naman dito sa crease. Okay? So, ito yung crease dito sa corner. So, wala kang ilalagay na panibagong product, ikakalat mo lang siya dito mismo sa outer part natin dito sa crease. Okay? So, start to push it upward. So, I will look at the mirror. So, again, nasaan ang crease? Ito. Outer, corner. Pag na-blend mo na siya, tsaka natin siya i-extend dito. Wala tayong nilalagay na panibagong product. Okay? Push it pasok. Ayan. So, hindi marunong mag-blend pa circular. So, another tip is this. Push mo siya. See? Yung ganitong look, it's good for daytime. No? And then, once na blend na natin siya, nalagay na natin siya sa corner, then, lightly, i-extend natin siya dito sa ating crease. Okay? Again, wala ako nilalagay na bagong product. Biniblend ko lang talaga siya. See? So, hindi mo kailangan ng maraming product. For one shade lang, makakagawa ka na ng soft eye color. Okay. So, pwede mo pa siyang i-intensify. So, for the morning look, okay siya as a soft daytime smoky eye makeup or eye makeup. Tapos sa gabi, dagdagan mo siya to make it more intense para talagang glam. Okay? So, again, rule number 1, apply ka ng konting eyeliner, smudge mo siya ng buo. What's left in the brush, ilagay mo siya sa corner ng eyes mo. So, push mo lang. Pag gano'n. See? Kita nyo niya yung difference? Then, what's left, dito sa brush pa rin, lagyan mo yung ilalim ng mata mo. So that magkakaroon siya ng definition. Then we'll do the other side. Same procedure. Hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng panibago pag cream based kasi spreadable yung yung pigment. It's creamy texture kasi siya. So, kita niyo yung difference, 'di ba? Isang color lang 'yan. And then kung may kalat, remove niyo lang ng ng foundation or cotton buds na may konting foundation. And then again, what's left, wala tayong nilalagay na panibago, lagyan natin sa ilalim ng ating mata. Ayan na siya. So, it's very easy. You can do this, hindi lang brown. You can also use any color. You can use navy blue, dark green, dark purple, just to create eyeshadow, one eyeshadow color. So, this kind of technique, pwede siya for daytime and pwede mo siyang gawing nighttime also. For nighttime, dagdagan ko lang siya ng konti. You have to intensify. Ang maganda dito, you layer it para sagla na if it's a night look, you just add up a layer of color and then do the same procedure. No? Kung wala kayong ganito, you could also use a pencil brush. Intensify natin to transform it into nighttime or night makeup. Lagay yun ng konti yung lower lash. corners ng mata natin. Pa naglayer ka ulit ng color, dapat ito rin isasama mo rin siya. See? So, yun yung magiging magandang effect niya. So, just using one color, you can transform your eyes from soft look into more glam. Okay? And then to finish it off, you can apply a brown or black eyeliner for a nighttime look. Don't forget also to do a tight line. From daytime, and then apply a liner and do a tight line, it will be turned into a glam nighttime look. Okay guys, this is the final look. I played up my eyeshadow by applying a blue eyeliner from Inglot dito sa lower lash line, and then I've added a little highlighter para makita nyo lang kung ano yung effect niya kung lalagyan natin ng highlighter yung eyes natin. And then I appear the eyes with a nudish brown Huda Liquid Matte Entrance Setter. Okay, so hindi na ako nag-apply ng mascara. I did not curl my eyelashes because I just really want to emphasize lang kung paano ko ginawa yun sa eyes. Pero you could wear the eyeshadow with or without false eyelashes. All you need to do is just to curl it up, apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara. Okay, so this is the look. This is the eyeshadow application technique using one eyeshadow color. You can use pencil, again, sticks, or cream-based eyeshadow like this one. This is from JCats. You can use this alone. You can use the eyeliner alone lang din, or eyeshadow sticks. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from my new video today, and just practice it. This is the easiest, the quickest way to apply the eyeshadow. You can turn it into soft daytime into more glamorous nighttime. So please share this video to those girls out there na gustong matutong mag-apply na eyeshadow in a quickest or in the fastest way. So share this, and if you're going to use the method na shinare ko, please don't forget to tag me, and you can use the hashtag #BuyEasyMakeupArtist. So thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you. Bye!